Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process on your Dyson V8, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Let's gather everything we need before diving in. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Next, lay the vacuum on a soft surface to avoid scratches while you work. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see two Torx screws that secure the battery in place. Using the Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe spot as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery away from the main body of the vacuum. If it feels stuck, make sure all screws are completely out before attempting to remove it. Now it's time to clean the internal components of your Dyson V8. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris you might find inside the battery compartment. This will ensure optimal performance when you install the new battery. With the compartment clean, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors inside the vacuum. Gently push it into place until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely attached. Replace the Torx screws you previously removed, securing the battery firmly in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the screws or the vacuum itself. Now, before testing the vacuum, it's a good idea to check for any loose parts or debris that may have been dislodged during the process. If you're unsure about your work or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help you if needed. Once everything looks good, turn on your Dyson V8. You should see the battery indicator light up, confirming that the new battery is working. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Lastly, if you're ever in doubt about repairs or replacements, we always provide a quote before any repair work begins. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery on your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance, including battery checks, can extend the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.